Okay, so this is the startup procedures for the 210 air compressor. Upon arriving on site, some of the first things you're going to do is you're going to make sure that the machine is nice and level. We don't want any steep inclines. It's not good for the machine. We're going to check our coolant, we're going to check our fuel and ensure that there's fuel in the machine. If you squat down and look through, you can see the view glass for the compressor oil, and we're going to check and ensure that there's the adequate amount of compressor oil in there. And coming around to the other side of the machine, we're also going to check the engine oil and make sure that the engine oil is right. So, this is good. Once you've checked all of those, you can then proceed with the startup. First step would be to hook up your hose. And just like all of our other hoses, we're going to do a half turn counterclockwise. And ensure that it straps on. Ensure that whenever you're using a Chicago hose, you have a safety whip. Properly attached. One side is going to be on the compressor end of the hookup. It should be nice and taut onto the hose. Also, we're going to be using tie wire. Put through the eyelets to secure it. Once your tie wire is in place, you're going to open up your control panel. Ensure your warm-up control and your pressure selector are on start and low. Flip the switch to the on position. Once your light comes up, you're going to hear some clicking sounds. That'll let you know that the machine is checking itself. Once those clicking sounds stop, you're going to hold down the red switch in the start position. We're going to not do it for more than 15 seconds. The compressor is now running. You need to let it idle for about 5 minutes to warm up. While that's idling, ensure that the doors are closed. Just like all of our equipment, these machines are meant to be run with the doors shut. After idling for 5 minutes, you're going to put your warm-up control knob to the 1 position. Select your desired pressure, either low or high, depending on what job you're doing. The machine is now ready for use, and you're ready to use